and welcome back to the series of short films that I made while I was in India. So quick recap on the story behind this and how this came about. So an organization called the International Fund for Animal Welfare reached out to me via Instagram, and they asked me if I could go to India for them to help them document the Gaj Mahotsav Festival, which is a festival to celebrate the conservation efforts of the Asian elephants and to explore how us humans share habitat with them and how we can do so sustainably going forward with great success. So this festival was more a celebration of that, but also had some technical talks where ministers and heads of conservation organizations, for example the Wildlife Trust of India, were very involved to share their view on this matter. So it's a beautiful festival, and I was very privileged to be able to head out there and film this. So part of my assignment was to make 3 films per day, and this video is to show you guys the videos I made during day 2. So before I show you guys those, in my first video I actually made a really childish thing where I took a shirt and threw it onto myself as a weird transition. So I apologize for that, and I really do hang my head in shame for having done such a childish thing with video transitions. I mean, come on, grow up. So yeah, let's focus on video 1, and I'll tell you guys what that was all about. So similar to the video I made on day 1, I just focused on all the elephant art and all the decorations going on over the whole complex, and made some time lapses and hyperlapses to show off all the artwork in some beautiful dynamic ways, because I was really in love with all those animal statues that they had going on, each created by a different artist. So really beautiful, go check it out.
Are working in tandem with conservationists, with scientists to better understand how we can create a better roadmap of development.
So as you could tell from that first video, a huge component of this festival celebrating the elephant was all the artwork they had going on. So not only were there statues out in the garden, but also they had a little art gallery set up where they had some really amazing fine art and sculptures as well of elephants made by different artists again. So the second video focuses on that art gallery. It's a very short video, only 15 seconds long, but I tried to get some really creative transitions in there and made it a little bit dynamic and get some people involved to show off how people entered the art gallery as visitors and were embracing with the art and soaking it all in. So here it is. Enjoy. And lastly, let's talk about the third video. So not only were various very renowned artists commissioned to make art for the Gaj Mahotsav Festival, also the community was invited to come on board and get involved themselves. So every day during the festival they had a lot of school kids invited, and they came over to do some arts, and these kids were really enthusiastic and really brilliant at what they did. So my third video focused on kids painting and making little elephants made out of clay. Really beautiful. Check it out for yourselves. The International Fund for Animal Welfare was also super stoked with this video, and they ended up posting it on Twitter, which is a huge honor for me as well. So, but I'd be curious to hear what you think of this video. Here it is.
I will put the face, you will put the drum.
And that sums up my efforts during day 2 of the Gaj Mahotsav Festival. So, if you're curious to find out a little bit more about what the International Fund for Animal Welfare is all about, do head over to their website, or even more, they have their own YouTube channel where they show a lot more about their efforts in animal conservation and all the projects they've done. So I'll link their name below, as well as add a subscribe card at the end of this video where you can go check out their channel. Highly recommend it. So yeah, if you're curious to see the rest of the festival, because I have 2 more videos lined up for day 3 and 4 of the festival, do stay tuned, and if you hit that subscribe button as well as hit the notifications as well, you definitely won't miss out on day 3 and 4. So in the meantime, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button below and drop a comment telling me what you thought of these little short clips I made in India. And I can't wait to see you guys for day 3 of these little short videos. Bye for now.